When we're using the SI system, it makes it very easy to convert from one unit to another unit. And so if you'll draw your little line, you'll know which way to move the decimal, and you'll know how many places to move the decimal. So our normal units are meters, liters, and grams. Those will go in the middle. We're going to convert to or from those. The bigger numbers are kilo, hecta, which we will probably never use, but as a placeholder, so we need to put it up there, and deca, which we'll probably never use. You hardly ever hear about decameters, decaliters, or decagrams. And then on the right side, you have deci, centi, which is what we use a lot, and milli, which is another one we use a lot. I think it has 2 L's. Pretty sure that has 2 L's. Well, let's get it in there. Anyway, so when you're converting, this just shows you where to move your decimal. You know where to start and where to move your decimal. You can start with any of these places. If I was going to start with meters, then I'd just have a number. Let's say I have 6 meters. What should I convert it to?
Millimeters.
Okay, I'm going to convert 6 meters to millimeters. So I know where I'm coming from, which is here. And now I know where I'm going. I said milli, so I'm going to go to milli. So now I have to count how many places do I have to move the decimal?
1, 2, 3.
So I know I'm going to move it 3 places. And which direction am I going to move it?
Right.
I'm going to move it to the right. That's the way my arrow's going. So I'm going to move it 3 places to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 6. And where's my decimal going to be located?
Behind the number.
It comes after the number. If there's not a decimal, then you know it comes after the number. So if I move my decimal over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, I'll add my zeros. 6 meters is equal to 6,000 millimeters. Okay?
Got it.
Got it. You can do that for anything. If you want to go from kilograms to milligrams, you're going to do the same thing. So let's say we have 14.2 kilograms. Which direction am I going to move my decimal?
To the right.
I'm going to move it to the right. And since I'm starting here, I'll count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to move my decimal places 6 places to the right. So I go ahead and put my 14.2 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add my zeros. Count back and put my commas. 14.2 kilograms is the same as 14,200,000 milligrams.
That's a lot.
Aren't milligrams smaller than kilograms?
Yep.
So does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Now let's go the other direction. Let's go from milliliters to liters. Okay, we have 712 milliliters. Okay, so where would my decimal be?
Behind the 2.
Behind the 2. All right, so I'm starting with milliliters. So I'll count from here. 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
Yes.
I'll move my decimal 3 places. In which direction am I moving it?
To the left.
To the left, because I'm going from here. My arrow points this direction. So 1, 2, 3. That gives me 0.712 liters. 712 milliliters is the same as 0.712 liters. I love the SI system because all we have to do is move the decimal. If you'll put this down on your paper to begin with, it makes it a lot easier. Always remember these are the ones we start with, meters, liters, and grams. And you can have km, kl, kg. We won't use hecta and deca, we talked about that earlier, or deci, so you may see cm, cl, or cg, mm, ml, or mg, but these are always going to stand for the same thing.